If you've been wondering how to turn off the sports card in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to remove it from your Edge homepage so you can keep your browser looking cleaner and less distracting. This is a simple change, but if you've never explored Edge settings before, it can be easy to miss. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're on the homepage. On the page itself, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a small gear icon. This is usually located near the top right area of the page, and it gives you quick control over what appears on your Edge start page. Click that gear icon to open the page settings panel. Once the settings panel appears, you'll see different customization options for the home page. Now look for the section called Content Settings, and under that, click Manage. This will take you into the detailed page content options, where Edge lets you control the cards and content that show up on your home page. In this menu, find the option that says Show Sports Card. You should see a toggle next to it. All you need to do is switch that toggle off. As soon as you turn it off, the sports card should disappear from your Edge homepage or stop showing in the future. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've cleaned up your Microsoft Edge homepage and removed the sports card. If you want to keep learning simple browser tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, and if this guide helped, give the video a like so more people can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.